Hi, well, I'm Brandon Robinson, represent Horizon Aircraft, and we're developing a new prototype aircraft, amphibious airplane, powered by an innovative hybrid electric drive, which we're pretty excited about, for the general aviation market.
Okay. What's so special about this technology?
Well, first of all, we're really excited about our engine. So, hybrid electric, lots of power when you need it, electric system and a conventional gas system working together in concert for the first time in an aviation product. So if the conventional motor fails, the electric engine can kick in and carry the plane to safety, and if the electric motor fails, the conventional motor can kick in. From a safety perspective, that's a pretty big deal. Also, think of the electric motor as a supercharger, if you will. So during the takeoff phase or any emergency operation where you need a whole bunch of power, you can operate the electric motor over and above what you could get from a normal conventional system.
There's no more refueling in the air.
Yeah, so now it refuels itself in the air. So when you don't need all that power for takeoff, when you're at cruise altitude, the engine can regenerate the battery system. So just like a conventional hybrid vehicle on the ground, like a car, we think it's even more applicable for an airplane. And for the first time, battery, power densities, and control systems are light enough and powerful enough to make that possible in an airplane. And so we're leading the edge.
The system in the aircraft will make it more heavier?
So it does increase the weight by using advanced technology. So we use an automotive engine instead of a heavy certified airplane engine, so that saves on weight. And from a power to weight perspective, we're actually more competitive than most of the offerings out there.
You're using auto engine. That means there's a car in the air.
Yeah, an automotive technology has in many ways outstripped the technology of aircraft engines. It all comes down to certification, and a lengthy certification, costly certification costs have really forced the aviation motors to lag in their technology.
Okay.
So automotive technology in an airplane makes kind of logical sense from that perspective.
Is it the first type, this kind of engine for the aircraft? Or?
It absolutely will be.
Okay. Then what about the cost?
So, pardon me?
What about the cost? Will it cost double or triple?
Not at all. And so this, the motor, the hybrid electric drive, will be offered at a competitive price in today's marketplace for an engine of its power. So we're talking in around the $100,000 mark, which is, again, very competitive. For less power and more weight, you can pay the same amount for, say, like a Continental Titan engine or whatnot.
So this type of technology, can it use in a big aircraft, like 784, 787, something like that, or only for small craft?
No, this is more for small airplanes. Larger, like 787, would be using jet engine technology, and this is obviously slightly different. Yeah, it's conventional hybrid engine technology.
Hybrid jet, laser jet. So.
Yeah, but we're also very excited about the actual platform itself. From a amphibious aircraft perspective, it can land on water, snow, grass, of course, any runway. So really great for austere operating locations. It's very rugged.
Also, who are the target clienteles?
Target clientele is really for anyone who wants to go more than kind of 500, 600 miles in style and comfort, and also have the peace of mind knowing that if anything happens, you have redundant systems and you can land this airplane almost anywhere.
Okay, so replacing their Ferrari.
Pardon me?
Replacing their own Ferrari, right?
Yes, they are. And any airplane of that size, in the 5,000-pound gross weight category, is going to cost about that much anyway.
Okay.
So we're very competitive from a price perspective in that class, aircraft class category.
Okay. Is it made in Canada or?
We hope to, absolutely. So developed in Canada so far, and we're open to discuss options with future investors.
So it's not in production yet?
It is not. So we're putting together the hybrid power system this summer, and we're going to be making the first few parts of the airframe later in the fall or winter.
Okay.
So nearing construction. So we're ending the design phase.
No test drive before right now, right?
Oh, we're definitely going to be testing.
Test drive, yeah.
Yeah, we've already tested a lot of the subcomponents and subsystems in our own experimental aircraft that we have.
Yeah.
And
so when will be the first test flight?
First test flight will be probably next summer.
Okay. All right, all the best to you.
Take care.
Skyway.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's going to be composite fuselage.